Use the Elliptical Marquee tool and a shortcut to quickly create a cutout. Hi, this is Carla Shute from Digital Scrapper, the very best place on the web to find complete and professional instruction for digital scrapbooking. We help you get your stories told. This video is being filmed in Photoshop Elements, but the instructions are exactly the same for Adobe Photoshop, except where noted. Begin in expert mode by opening the document that comes in the download. First, click on the polka dot paper layer in the Layers panel to make it the active layer. Then, get the Elliptical Marquee tool. In the Tool options, click on the New Selection icon, check Anti-Aliasing, set the feather to 0, the aspect to normal. Photoshop users will set the style to normal. Then, on the document, click and drag out a circle slightly larger than the button. To create a perfect circle, hold down the Shift key while you click and drag. To reposition your selection while dragging, press and hold the space bar. To create the cutout, make sure the polka dot paper layer is still active. Press Shift-Control-J, that's Shift-Command-J on a Mac, to create a new layer via Cut. In the Layers panel, double-click directly on the name of the new layer and rename it Cutout. Press Enter, that's Return on a Mac, to commit the change. Then click and drag the layer below the paper accents layer. Now we are ready to reposition the new cutout piece. Get the Move tool, press Ctrl-T, that's Command-T on a Mac to get the transform options. In the Tool options, set the angle to -90 degrees. Photoshop users set the rotate to -90 degrees. Click the check mark to commit. On the document, click directly on the cutout and drag it to the edge of the striped paper. Use arrow keys if needed to nudge the cutout into place. The final step is saving your document. To preserve the layers, save the document as a layered PSD file with a unique name. To save the document as a flattened image, save as a JPEG with a unique name. Then close the working document without saving. This is how my finished card looks with the cutout placed behind the word art strip. If you'd like to learn more about selection tools, check out Selections 1 by Jen White. You'll find a link to this class as well as a coupon code in the manual that accompanies this video. So that's how you use the Elliptical Marquee tool and a shortcut to create a cutout. This has been Carla Shute for Digital Scrapper.